Hi, this is Blake with Cleveland Tool. This is just a quick tips and tricks video to show you an easy way to assemble our 1/4" mandrel to the 2" diameter 3M cut and polish wheel. The first thing you'll notice here is that these are left-handed threads, so you'll turn counterclockwise to tighten it. The nut here is a 7/16 wrench if you need it. Take the nut and washer off before you begin. The tricky bit of this assembly is that the threads are actually a larger diameter than the hole in the polishing wheel, so it seems like it doesn't fit at first glance. What we're going to have to do is actually thread the mandrel into the wheel, and the hardware will tap the hole as it goes in. It is possible to do this process by hand, but we found a much easier technique you can use. First thing we're going to do is put the tail of the mandrel into the hole and just by hand get the first few threads started. Once that's done, we can go ahead and put the polishing wheel into a bench vise, and then we're going to take and attach the chuck of a battery-powered drill to the little tail end of the mandrel that sticks out. With the drill, we can go ahead and spin that mandrel all the way down until we run out of threads. Just a quick reminder, these are left-handed threads that we're starting on the back side, so that's forward direction on the drill. The final step is just to add back the washer and nut, and you're ready to go. You can use this tool in a drill or die grinder to reach tight spaces in your build. You'll find this product and many more on our website at clevelandtool.com. Thanks for watching.